Welcome to this demo of Agentic AI for SAP Business One. In this scenario, CoPilot simplifies creating a new vendor business partner in SAP Business One. The user begins by logging in and instructing CoPilot to create a new business partner vendor. The user first enters the vendor code and vendor name. Next, the vendor group is selected from the predefined business partner groups. CoPilot intelligently suggests defaults wherever applicable. The user proceeds to the currency section and saves the entry successfully. The user accesses the phone numbers and email section, where CoPilot collects required details. CoPilot autofills optional fields like credit limit using business rules. CoPilot validates the master data and successfully creates the new vendor record, ensuring accuracy, speed, and a fully guided user experience. All inputs are validated in real time to ensure accuracy and SAP compliance. This demonstrates the power of Agentic AI, transforming traditional SAP master data entry into a smart, conversational, and error-free process. Thank you for watching this demonstration of SAP CoPilot for Business Partner, Vendor, Creation.